Hello traders, FS Collector here. Today is Friday, July 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar yen monthly, I still think this is possibly a 1-2, and this is all definitely a wave 3. I think this move down is a wave 4, and I think this is now going up for a wave 5, which I think is probably going to go up to one of these fib extension levels before it ends potentially the wave 5 of wave C. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is the end of a big wave 3 right here. It's definitely one series of higher highs, higher lows. I think this has already made an ABC correction. I think this is an uptrend like a 1 of 5. I think this is a correction like a 2 of 5. I think it's eventually going to go up and make a wave 3, 4, and 5 of wave 5, which definitely could be a wave 5 of wave C, like a final wave of wave C. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this first impulsive move down is most likely a wave A. I think this is 3 waves up for a wave B, and I think this is probably in a wave C, which probably isn't over yet. I mean, it probably will end up going down to one of these fib levels before it potentially ends a wave C and ends up continuing the uptrend. I think it's probably a 1, a 2, and a wave 3, just like I was showing on the weekly time frame. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think this is a big downtrend right here. This is the wave A. I think this move up is an ABC of B. Either that or possibly, which I think is possible too, either that or this is the ABC, this big spike. Either way, I think we're probably still going down. We're probably going to still go down to at least one of these lower fib levels to take out this low, like the 61 or the 78% I was showing on the daily to finish off a wave C. Before it makes an impulsive move up, takes out structure, and potentially ends up continuing the uptrend for that wave 3 of wave 5. So taking it down even further to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it was turning up pretty strong this morning. It definitely made you think that it was going up, but luckily, because we never saw a candle close on our higher roadmap time frames, we never went long, and instead we were continuing to look for shorts. So I definitely think it's still going down. I don't think it's going up yet. I do think it is probably going down to one of those lower fibs that I was showing on the longer time frames. So if I do see any pullbacks, I am definitely going to continue to look for shorts, especially on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.